Sandy dos por dos, Daddy dos.
Hi, Miss.
Hello,
Your name?
I'm Dennis Ra. Dennis Ra.
Venezuela. She's so big.
Good morning, everyone.
Afternoon.
Ano mo
I'm
sa iyo,
Dennis
pa?
Ra.
Good evening.
I'm from Raja Branch.
Evening.
My vital constituents. My vital constituents. 28, 18, Tambotsa.
In Filipinos, obviously, Venus from Lahog City, City contestants from Raja. And now the third contestant from Hi.
Hello.
Introduce yourself.
Okay, thank you po. Magandang tanghali po sa inyong lahat. Andito na ang nagpatibok ng puso ni Santo Laudo. Andrea Alonso, alias Beba.
Thank you. Nag-guide si Pia. Hello. Our fourth contestant. Please. Our fourth contestant. Nagpa-beauty pa. Ang galing niya magpa-fashion ha. Thank you. Hi. Good afternoon. Parang maniyakin ka yata. Please, listen valid to me.
Ay, mangorog!
I'm Sonia, representing Sogligan. Settle. Thank you.
Si Sonia parang hindi nagmahal. Okay, that's our presentation for the first four contestants for Falls Day. And coming up next is our presentation sports wear. And before we continue this program, we would like to invite everyone just to present any intermission here. Would like to sing or dance?